need real tools for this.
They got some tools in there.
You need real tools in it.
Open it up.
Oh, these are real bricks. This is real brick. Oh, this is a little one for little kids. This is for little kids. Daddy, now I know how it's supposed to be.
You do? How it's supposed to be? Like that?
Oh, look. These
You
real.
gotta read the instructions.
Read the instructions. Yeah, this how you do it.
Come on, dear. Come on, help that. Go this way. There you go.
It's gonna take too long to build that thing.
Alright, this is what we gotta do. We gotta put all these screws in here. Like this. We're gonna help you with this. So you gotta keep it in there. You can't mess up the screw. You gotta have a steady hand. There you go. Like that.
I have a study hand, dear. Dear, Daddy needs that. You need it? I think he need it.
Let me see it, man. Let me see the screwdriver and stop clowning. You're not supposed to play when you're building something. You're sleeping.
Yeah.
Sit down.
Yeah.
You sleeping?
No.
I think you need a nap.
I don't want no nap. Naps is for babies.
What you think you are?
I'm a grown up.
How many wheels is it?
One, two, 3, 4. We got 4 wheels. You almost done? Don't do that with Daddy. Don't do that.
Put that down anyway. You get ready to go. Hey. Nah, Rose. Okay, here we go. We're done.
You lift it up on the top and push it like that, okay?
You mean push it up? Yeah. That's how you do it. Who made that?
Me.
Who else made it?
Daddy.
Dia made it too?
Yep.